if you're new to networking on LinkedIn, it's likely you're a little apprehensive. That's entirely normal. So I've got a few tips to help you get over that hump and just take the leap into the great unknown of networking on LinkedIn. The first thing that you need to do is to make sure that your profile is complete. You want to add videos, showcase your skills, and talk about your experience and expertise, because everything you do on LinkedIn comes back to your profile. That's the first step, a complete LinkedIn profile. Once you've done that, the next step is to start to reach out to people you already know, people you have worked with, currently work with, or people who are in your business networking groups. You want to make sure that just about everybody, and yes, that can include family and friends, who's on LinkedIn that you know personally is now in your network. Once you've got a good base of connections, it's time to reach out and to connect with people you don't know. This is a little more scary, and it can be quite hard for people, particularly introverts, to get to grips with, to get the courage up to give it a go. But it's really quite easy if you keep this in mind. People want to connect with people. So if you are connecting to someone you don't know, make sure to include a personalised message. Use their name. Mention something that you have in common, or something you saw on their profile that you really liked or that you can talk about. What you're wanting to do is to show the person you're asking to connect with you a reason to do so. We all get so many connection invites that a lot of them just get turned down automatically. You want to make sure that doesn't happen to you. So step 1, your profile. Step 2, personalize your invite requests. The third thing is the follow-up. Once somebody has said yes, you need to thank them. Now, that's the same online as it is in person. Use your manners. Be kind to people. Be nice to people. Treat them the way that you want to be treated. And if you do that, people will be more open to having a conversation as a starting point. From there, you can begin developing a relationship. And so those are the 3 things to remember if you are starting out on LinkedIn to network with new people: your profile, personalize your requests, and follow up.